Are you holding on tight?
Yeah, but it's not. I just.
Should I stand up? Like everyone we saw earlier?
No.
I didn't know standing up on the Skyride was a thing to do today. I guess they didn't read the sign.
Is there much there?
I see Loch Ness Monster going. You're not holding on. Look at you being so brave as we make our descent into the station. A little bumpy. Part 2 of the Skyride at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna get stuck. Making some rumbly noises. Alpengeist appears still not to be running.
But according to the app, 0 minute wait.
Yeah, 0 minute wait because it's not running. Stupid app. Poor Alpengeist.
Yeah, it's been hurting lately.
Didn't it have like a crack
Yeah, last
year?
year I came and they were loading it.
Make our descent into Germany as we enter the land of dragons. Hello, friend. We gotta ride the water rides. Part 3 of the Skyride at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Finish the loop back to England. Oh, we get a good view of the interlocking loops here. Running 2 trains on Nessie.
Hey, the
Yeah.
boat is running.
Yeah, I wonder if it's gonna open.
It is. There's people on it.
Yay. We'll get there eventually. There's the cave that the Loch Ness Monster lives in. Second lift hill for Nessie. Goes right over the Colonial Pipeline.
Like Nessie.
Passing by Nessie's house. There is. There's a Loch Ness Monster in there.
Not like the